Are you tired of snoring, or someone from your family is snore a lot so that you are not able to sleep? We have a solution for you. Photona Night Lace Laser. This is a gentle laser which reduces snoring by tightening oral tissues. It improves airflow for better breathing. It's non-invasive, fast, and very effective with no downtime. So book your consultation with us.